Various rotor, caliper, or friction material conditions may lead to abnormal brake noise. Squealing or scraping noise is often caused by problems with the friction surface of the rotor and/or the pads. If equipped, look for the pad wear indicator to be in contact with the rotor. The noise generated by this contact purposely signals the need for pad replacement. Check for excessively worn, contaminated, or glazed pads. In some instances, an insulator shim may be out of position or missing. Inspect the friction surfaces of the rotor. Look for heavy scoring or a rotor worn down below minimum thickness specifications. Chattering or rattling noises may be caused by excessive clearance between the pads and rotor. This abnormal clearance may simply be due to worn pads and/or a rotor worn down below minimum thickness. Be certain the anti-rattle clips are positioned correctly, and on a sliding caliper design that the caliper can move freely. Measure lateral runout at the rotor. Then measure parallelism. This can reveal unwanted variations in rotor thickness. Compare the measurements to specifications. Complete the inspection by checking for loose wheel bearings. When making brake repairs, keep the new pads free of grease or other contamination. Clean the rotors thoroughly after machining. This will help prevent abnormal brake noise from occurring following repairs. When the troubleshooting process is finished, be certain to reattach all components, tighten all fasteners to their specified torque values, and replace any disposable parts such as cotter pins or friction nuts.